Once again, this is Chicken Whisperer. I just got home from work. I picked a 5-gallon bucket of chickweed and clover. I'm going to feed it to my birds, and boy, it's hot in the chicken coop. Here goes. Have at it, guys. Boy, do they know what that is. Still got enough water in it. It's amazing because it's about, I'd say it's 90 degrees in here. Sure, I got a fan going, but it's still hot. It looks like they ate all their mix, finally. I'm gonna tend to the baby chicks after I get done with this video. I can hear they're going crazy in there. Well, they're 4 weeks and 1 day old now. Boy. They love this stuff. They love it probably more than chick feed. I'm pretty sure I have a favorite one. It's that one with the comb on it, because it's a really nice bird. Whatever it is, it's probably one of the nicest, sweetest birds to me. When I pick it up, it doesn't even crap. It takes from my hand when I feed it mealworms. And the Buffalo Orpingtons, they're pretty nice too. They're all pretty nice, except for the Golden Lace Wyandottes. I can barely ever touch them. They're so skittish. And that big ear kind of you're looking at right there up front, he's really skittish, and when I put those 2 babies out here, he was not having it. It's either a he or a she. Whatever it is, it's pretty dominant. Still looking for that mystery golden egg.